Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here, but it's likely a knife that was sent in as a response to my community post, so I appreciate that. We'll figure it out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. Your support means the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. You're right on in there. Nice precision cut right here, and the spine of the scalpel's pretty thick, so sometimes I just gotta wedge it in there, and then my strategy is just to rip it open from the side. Okay, we've got some friction. Oh boy. Some more tape and stuff to get through. That's okay. Gotta make sure that it's safe coming in. That's fine. I can work my way around it. And I get more packing materials, so, you know, glass half full. Okay, we're going to make another cut real quick. And what do we have in here? Okay, we have a pouch. Let me see who this was sent by. Oh, okay, I know who this is. Let's open her up here real quick. My goodness, we have some serious reinforcement. We're almost in. There we go. Oh, yeah. This is the Spyderco YOJUMBO. Holy crap, they weren't kidding. That is a big YOJUMBO. Man, I wonder if the blade stock is thicker too. The whole thing is bigger and thicker and heavier, but man, you know what? I think I love the Spyderco YOJUMBO. For anybody who doesn't know, I love it. I realize it's a self-defense, like the foundation in the design philosophy is self-defense. I loved the YOJUMBO. I think because of the way it's shaped and the lines, my first impressions are that I like the big one a little bit more. I still love them both, and what I'm going to use them for, or what I would use them for, is general EDC, which, let's be honest, 80% of us at least are just going to be using these for general EDC. But yeah, right off the bat, I'm digging the bigger one, and I love the excess handle room I have. So I can fit all 4 fingers into this area right here, and then I can kind of cock back or choke back, whatever you want to say, right? Really cool. And anything with the compression lock is wonderful. This thing, really liking the compression lock because the blade is so large and heavy, right? So gravity helps you out there. It makes it really fun to play with. That is cool. Oh yeah, nice and thin behind the edge. I'm just a big, you know, normally, like, well, I don't want to say normally. Sometimes knives that have crazy profiles and have Wharncliffe blades, sometimes it does it for me and sometimes it doesn't. But the profile of this one, as weird as it is, right? I mean, Spyderco's already are kind of weird aesthetically, right? People have to, like, you really have to either just absolutely love a Spyderco knife, like aesthetically, like if you've never purchased one, you have to absolutely love how they look to go ahead and, you know, go over the edge on your own and buy one. Everybody else has to have them repeatedly recommended to them before they go, all right, I'll pick one up, right? So the YOJUMBO is another level of weird, right? I mean, we've joked about the YOJUMBO. This is the YOJUMBO, the bigger one. The YOJUMBO being kind of the weird cousin of Spyderco knives. Yeah, but this is awesome. This is a Golden, Colorado, USA Earth Spyderco CPM S30V. I cannot remember if these are in stock or not in stock right now. In any case, I will link this guy if I can find it right down in the description. I will link the YOJUMBO right down in the description, and Spyderco knives in general. For those of you who have not reached that tipping off point, Spyderco knives are excellent. I've got tons of videos on Spyderco knives and another video explaining why I think they're great. So check that stuff out. But yeah, this is really cool. I'm really excited to take a look. I think, oh, there's a note. Jeez Louise. Let me take a look. There he is. Amateur Knives on Instagram. This gentleman has sent me a ton of stuff over the at least the last year. So please give him a follow. People like him make it possible for me to bring you guys daily knife content. Also follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, guys, that's going to be pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.